Today we discuss about the topic is the derived data types. In the last session, control structures. The control structures we can explain about that. It is a flow of control and functions and pointers and strings we will discuss today. Now in this flow of control, this flow of control, sequence of the branching of the flow of control. It is a sequence of the flow of control. It is a programming for that. Is a instructions were executed only once. In which it is appeared the program, the world, it is a real world problems. It is we can be utilized in this using the program. Here branching is a we have a that is a if else, and if and switch statements we can be used in this branching conditions. That branching flow of controls we are using only if and then and if else else conditions. First, I will take that it is a if else statement when we will be carry that. It is out of it is a logical test and then take into the one of the two possible actions and depending on the outcome of the test. Whether the outcome is a true or false, generally from the if and else statement can be written. If condition statement, else statement, it is a condition. If it is a true, then it is a, if is okay. Then otherwise it is a, we can go for the else condition. Means it's a false statement. Then we can go for that is else condition. Whether the condition will be checked statement is correct, or then we can go for the output of the exam. We can output of the program we can be give it. Now, if it's an example, if I take that if m is greater than or equal to 50, it is a print pass, else print fail. So here already if it is a greater than or equal to, if the student got m equal to 60, then what we can say it is a clearly pass. Because of it is condition is pass true, so that it is a m is greater than or equal to 50, so that it is a printf pass. Else printf it is a failed. Then it is a if it is a else means it is a already less than 50 he got it, so that he failed. That is comes to the category of the two else. Next, this may be the written more legally as follows. If m is greater than or equal to 50, then false, and then we can write like this. Next, if I want to write that is a C programming hash. చెప్పు. Now here, program, if I write that, it is a statement. One of the program I am going to write here. What is the program? Here, hash include std io.h. It is a library file. It is coordinated that it is all library files. It is a wide main int m. It is called as a declaration of the variable m for marks, and printf. It is enter the marks. Scan a percentile d adjacent of m. It is a you are displaying that is a marks. So m is the marks. Automatically, what you are the writing that is a marks will be given m. It will take the adjacent of m. Next, if m is greater than or equal to 75, then it is a printf that is a A grade. Else, if m is greater than or equal to 60, then it is a print f. It is a B grade. Then, if we go for that is a else, if m is greater than or equal to 50, then it is the printf C grade. Else, it is a F grade. Like that, it is we can give that is a grading system for this example. So it is called as a if else condition. Next, dangling if else condition. Sometimes you will ask. Syntax we can go further. What is a dangling means? It is a else is generally applicable into the immediate if condition. In this case, we can be the multiple if conditions. We can take it here. That is one of the multiple means it is a immediately if condition. After that, another if condition we will use. Then after that else condition we use. That is called as it is a dangling if else condition we called. So syntax, if I use that, if condition and if condition, else condition. These are the three conditions or they will be there. That is called as it is a dangling if else condition. Next, multiple branches with the switch statement. Sometimes it is a syntax is goes to the here switch variable, and if the case is a true, it will be displayed. Case this one value, then it will be displayed. It is otherwise it will be default statement. It will be displayed. This is called as a switch case, switch statement we called. Next example of the consider the following the example where n is a number is given by the user, and based on the number, a color is printed as follows. For example, it is a 0, it is a block. Here 1 is a red, and 2 is a green, 3 is a blue, and 4 is a white. Like that, it is a, I'm giving the colors, else it is a yellow. Then it is a program will be the, we can write as a hash include stdio.h, wide main, and C program I'm writing. And it is a int value, it is a print, enter the value, percentile, scanf, parenthesis, it is a bracket, scanf bracket, it is a percentile D and adjacent of value. Here value automatically we will enter, then automatically it will be printed. Then if a value is equal to 0, then it is printed to the black. If a value is equal to, else if value is equal to 1, then red. It is a value equal to, it will be go for the green. If value equal to 3, go for the blue. And if else, it is if value equal to 4. This is one of the program for this if else conditions. That is the branching conditions. Next, some program can be the written using that it is a switch cases. If I use the switch cases also, then it is a directly it is a previously it is a branch cases. It is a we now I'm going for the switch cases. Hash include stdio.h. It is a wide main and it is a parenthesis and it is a bracket int value and printf and enter that is a number. Scanf it is a value reading. Then it is a switch value. It is a case equal to 0, blue or black, case equal to 1, red case equal to 2, green case equal to 3, printf blue case equal to 4, case equal to 5. It is called as a yellow. Like that we can be, it is default. This is a switch cases. Now it is go for that is a go to labeling. It is unconditional branching cases. That is called as a go to statement. Go to statement. It is a just it is a label. It will be displayed. For example, if I use that is a loop, it is a scanf into percentile x. If while x is less than or equal to 100, then if x is less than 0, go to the error checker. It is a scanf. F it is a adjacent of x. So that it is automatically less than 0. What we should be reflect? It is a more than less than or equal to 100. What should be reflect? That is called as the based on the go to statement. We can be give that is a statement conclusion, statement displays. Example, it is a error case will become, it is a error is a negative value for the x. Negative value will be printed, automatically it will be printed x. For example, it is a quadratic equation I am taking here. Hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Hash include math.h. It is a main. It is a plot a comma b comma c r1 comma r2 and d. It is a printer f. It is enter the value of a comma b comma c, scan percentile f and adjacent of a, adjacent of b, adjacent of c. D I am finding b square minus 4ac. Now I'm going to check that is another example. Check whether the given number is the perfect number or not. So I'm going to check this logic is clearly. It is a program I am writing here. Hash include stdio.h, conio.h. It is a wide main parenthesis and it is a bracket. Int number remainder and sum equal to 0. These three are the integers I am taking. Scanner percentile d adjacent of number. For I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to number I plus plus, then it is a term equal to number percentile. If term equal to 0, then sum equal to sum plus I. Here, I enter the number n. It is a for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number I plus plus. It is a remainder equal to number divided by I. It is equal to the, if remainder equal to 0, then sum equal to sum plus I. If sum equal to equal number, then printf it is a perfect number. Else it is not the perfect number. So sum equal to number. So that it is, we can decide it is a perfect number. Otherwise, it is not the perfect number. Next, another example, we go for there is a programming. Program to check whether the astronomic number hash include std io.h, it is a int main, it is a int n comma r sum equal to 0 temp, it is a printf enter the number scan percentile adjacent n. Now it is a temp equal to 0. While it is a n is greater than 0, r equal to n percentile 10. Sum equal to sum plus r into r into r. So n equal to n by 10. Then if temp equal to sum, printf, it is a astronomic number. Else it is a printf not astronomic number. It is written 0. This is one of the case for the how I will be identify the astronomic number. Next, we go for that. Another example is a fluid triangle using the loop. So I am using that is a wide main and int number ijk equal to 1. Enter the number bit define that is a rows in the fluid triangle. It is a scanner percentile d adjacent of number. It is a for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number I plus plus. Now, if fluid triangle using the loop, we can use the for loop I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number I plus plus. It is a for I j equal to 1 and j less than or equal to I, j plus plus for k plus plus. Then it is a print n. So that we can get that is a resultant of fluid triangle. Sometimes if I use that is it is a iterations point of while and do while and for loops we can be used here. While statement, it is a expression conditional statement. Example, if I go for that, it is a main int digit equal to 0, while digit is less than or equal to 9 and printf digit and plus plus digit incremental. Consider that all the odd number, another example I am taking range 0 to 10 printf. Main, it is a int digit equal to 0 while digit less than or equal to 10. If digit is a percentile 2 equal to 1, then it is a digit. Then it is incremental. It is a do while statement if I use when the loop is constructed using the while statement. The test for the continuation of the loop is carried out at the beginning of each pass. Sometimes, however, it is desired to have that is a loop while test the communication continuation to the end of the each pass. This can be the accomplished by the means of the do while statement. If I go for that is a do while statement program, example, achieving or not, that's why I want to identify. That is a digit equal to 0, do. And for a printf, it is a digit is a plus plus incremental digit is exists. Otherwise, it is a while it is a digit is less than or equal to 9. Like we can use it as a program. Here, break and conditional continuous statement. If I use that, it is a hash include stdio.h. It is a void main int sum equal to 0 while enter the number -1 to scan a percentile d. It is a number equal to 1 equal to -1. Then it is a break equal to 1. Percent number is divided by 4 equal to 0. Then go for the continuation. Number is a divided by 2 equal to 0. Then sum is a plus equal to the number. Then print up the sum. Summary. These are the questions you will ask in the examination. If else explain that. Switch statement explain. Do while do explain. Write the programming. Given number is a given or odd, and it's the maximum of the three numbers. Primes are not. Characteristics controlling unit the switch conditions and factorial of the given number. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Functions we will discuss.